Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial. I'm going to be talking to you about the Crossfade Assistant, which is there to help you to create a smooth crossfade between two audio buttons. So you can see on this project that I have two copies of an audio sample. They are identical except for the second version, the green version, which I've added some effects to so that you can hear the transition take effect when we've programmed it in. And I'm going to get the green version of the audio to slave to the red version. So we'll open up the button properties window for that version, and we'll go to the cue control page, and we'll select the second button on the form to be our slaved button. We'll enable that, and we'll create a mute link, which simply means that when the slaved button starts in sympathy with the master button, it will be fired muted. And we'll click done to that. And then in order to create the crossfade between these two buttons, we'll open up the button properties window for this trigger button. Crossfades are only available for trigger buttons. We'll open up the Crossfade Assistant, and you can see by default the first button on the form, which is our fade out button, our master button, and then the fade in button is going to be button 2 on this form, and we'll make the crossfade duration 3 seconds for now. And the other thing that we want to do is we want to kill the fade out button once the crossfade has completed. We'll click done to that, and then done to the button properties window, and we'll listen to the net result. So when I fire the master button, you can hear that the slave button starts, but we're not actually hearing it at the moment until I hit the crossfade button. And there you can hear that Trigger has created a smooth crossfade between these two audio buttons. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching today's tutorial and that you'll join me next time.